Welcome to the amazing world of the Otocinclus catfish.
The Otocinclus catfish is widely known as the ultimate aquarium cleaner. The helpful fish originates from the freshwater rivers of South America.
Belonging to the Loricariidae family, the species is incredibly unique.
The Otocinclus catfish reaches a maximum size of only 5 centimeters.
The tiny size makes the fish one of the smallest sucker-mouth catfish.
A beautiful combination of white and gray covers the entire body.
Notice the prominent dark gray head of the Otocinclus catfish.
A bold dark stripe runs continuously along the side of the fish.
The subtle coloration provides excellent natural camouflage against predators.
The Otocinclus catfish features a highly specialized sucker mouth.
The specialized mouth allows the fish to scrape algae effortlessly.
The diligent fish continuously cleans brown diatoms from the glass surface.
The Otocinclus catfish moves systematically across broad green leaves.
The gentle scraping never causes any damage to delicate aquatic plants.
The light weight allows the fish to rest safely on fragile plant stems.
Aquarists often call the Otocinclus catfish an outstanding cleaning employee.
A dedicated group of Otocinclus catfish will keep the tank spotless. The fish constantly grazes on microscopic biofilm covering the driftwood.
The hungry fish leaves a beautifully clean path across dirty stones.
The Otocinclus catfish possesses an incredibly peaceful and gentle personality.
The peaceful fish completely ignores all other tank mates.
The gentle nature makes the fish perfect for any freshwater community setup.
The Otocinclus catfish is a highly social schooling species.
Always keep the fish in a small group to ensure absolute comfort.
Keeping a single Otocinclus catfish alone will cause severe stress.
A proper group makes the Otocinclus catfish act bold and confident. Provide a minimum tank volume of 30 gallons or 115 liters. A highly complex layout offers plenty of algae grazing surfaces. The Otocinclus catfish absolutely loves a gentle and steady water flow.
Abundant oxygen levels are mandatory for the active cleaning fish.
The fish often rests near the filter output to absorb fresh oxygen. Maintain the water temperature steadily between 23 and 26 degrees.
The perfectly balanced tropical water keeps the Otocinclus catfish highly active.
The ideal pH level ranges from 6.8 to 7.5. The fish thrives beautifully in slightly acidic to neutral water conditions.
Keep the water hardness level carefully between 6 and 10.
The Otocinclus catfish grazes continuously throughout the entire day.
Natural green algae serves as the primary food source for the fish.
A perfectly spotless tank requires supplemental feeding for the hungry fish. Sinking algae wafers provide an excellent supplemental diet.
Blanched green zucchini is an absolute favorite treat for the Otocinclus catfish.
Blanched cucumber provides essential vegetable matter for a healthy diet. A perfectly round and plump belly indicates excellent dietary health.
Always monitor the belly shape to prevent severe starvation.
Professional aquascapers consider the Otocinclus catfish an absolutely essential tool.
The careful fish keeps intricate moss layouts completely free of debris.
The energetic fish darts quickly to the next leaf to continue cleaning.
The shy fish often avoids overly bright lights by seeking shadow cover.
The Otocinclus catfish becomes highly active during the evening hours.
The Otocinclus catfish is completely safe to keep alongside delicate freshwater shrimp. The fish rests calmly and never bothers tiny shrimp companions.
Never house the small Otocinclus catfish with large aggressive predatory fish.
Notice the healthy gills processing the highly oxygenated water.
Always use a very slow drip acclimation process for the sensitive fish.
The Otocinclus catfish adapts best to a well-established and mature aquarium.
Never introduce the Otocinclus catfish into a brand new sterile tank.
The unique movements provide endless daily fascination for the aquarist.
The flexible body cleans curved glass corners with incredible ease.
The hard-working fish makes the aquarium glass crystal clear.
The Otocinclus catfish frequently rests vertically on tall driftwood branches.
Delicate translucent fins stabilize the tiny body against the water current.
The thorough fish checks every single crevice in the rock hardscape.
The Otocinclus catfish looks exactly like a miniature armored vehicle.
The Otocinclus catfish proves to be an incredibly rewarding pet.
The species helps maintain the perfect biological balance of the ecosystem. Vigorous swimming exercises the strong and healthy muscle structure.
Large eyes are specifically designed for excellent low-light vision.
The Otocinclus catfish swims seamlessly through dense forests of green stems.
The light reveals highly subtle golden speckles located on the back.
A massive group creates a highly efficient cleaning task force.
The herbivorous fish ignores meat pellets in favor of fresh green algae.
The highly intricate pattern of the dark lateral line is beautiful.
The cautious fish reacts instantly to sudden shadows passing over the tank. The confident fish returns to the open glass shortly after hiding.
The Otocinclus catfish is universally beloved by famous aquascapers globally.
Lush green carpet plants provide a wonderful playground for the fish.
The adorable flat belly is clearly visible when attached to the glass.
The Otocinclus catfish provides a highly natural method of algae control.
The diligent fish explores the bottom to ensure perfect cleanliness.
The calm fish interacts peacefully with daily tank maintenance tools.
The completely symmetrical body shape is a highly impressive natural marvel.
Weekly water changes keep the environment perfectly fresh for the fish.
A completely black background poster makes the light colors visually explode.
Rise. The fish occasionally swims to the surface to take a quick gulp of air.
The delicate tail fin propels the small body forward efficiently. The small school establishes a completely peaceful and stable hierarchy.
The Otocinclus catfish makes a visible difference in clarity very quickly.
The fish looks exactly like a tiny aquatic superhero protecting the plants.
When provided with the correct diet, the fish demonstrates extreme hardiness.
The Otocinclus catfish serves as the absolute perfect cleanup crew. Behold the tiny and majestic beauty of the incredible Otocinclus catfish.
Add the unforgettable Otocinclus catfish to the planted tank today.
Like, share and subscribe for more amazing utility fish care guides. Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the helpful Otocinclus catfish? Tell us in the comments.
The Otocinclus catfish is a 5-star addition to any planted biotope.
Thank you for exploring the highly useful and beautiful freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
The Aquatic Lee. Happy fish keeping.